Hello, what's up art lovers? I'm Nirma and in this tutorial we will be drawing this tree. So grab your pencil, let's get started. Let me quickly tell you what all lines we will be using for this tree. One is sleeping line, okay, for the base, and then for the trunk we will be using this pattern of line, okay. Then again we'll be using this pattern for the other side of the trunk, okay. Then a backward slanting line, then a forward slanting line. We'll be using these two lines, and then for the leafy kind we'll be drawing this pattern, and again for the other downward leafy part we'll be using this part of patterns, okay. So if you're getting confused with these kinds of lines and all, just check out my previous video where there are set of lines. It will be easy for you. So now what I'm going to do is that firstly I have drawn the sleeping line and I'm drawing this Y shape upon the sleeping line, and after that I'll be drawing this curve, this pattern of curve onto the left side of the Y, and again I'll be drawing the other pattern of curve onto the right side of the Y, and after that I'll be using this V shape, you can call that V shape, joining these two patterns, okay, for the branches of the tree. Then by using the other two patterns we'll be drawing the bushy part, these two, again the upper part of the tree. So this is how your tree will look like. After that you erase that line in the center part, with all this set of lines you will be creating this beautiful tree. So this is how you do a tree in a very simple manner. So practice these lines, you will get to do a proper drawing. Now next I'll be doing the bush by using the same sleeping line, okay, and with that pattern we'll be drawing this bush. This is how it is, same type of pattern. It may be small, it may be big, it may be behind. This is a simple way to make a bush. And if you're new to the channel, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon. Also follow my Instagram and like my Facebook page. So refer my previous video for these kinds of lines and practice daily. And with these lines you will be able to create beautiful trees and bushes. This is how you can do a simple tree and bush. So if you're following this tutorial to create your artwork, just let me know and send it to me so that I will put it on my art pages. Art hugs and peace. Namaste.